and also why you should also, speaking more eloquently and transmission, speaking what's going on, my name is Gerardo Pliego, and Happy New Year. Hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, we're going to talk about why I'm deciding to start a finance channel in 2021 and why you should also start a YouTube channel. I guarantee that by you starting a YouTube channel, you are going to learn so many skills. But before we get into the content, I would like to personally thank you for coming in and checking out my YouTube channel. My goal with this channel is to provide value and also just being transparent without having a biased opinion. So don't forget to hit the like button because it helps small creators like myself. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video because it's pretty awkward speaking to a piece of plastic and glass. Reason 1, personal growth. Welcome to my first YouTube video. Believe it or not, posting this is gonna take so much courage from me. You're not funny. You're not unattractive. Wait, I meant to say, you got acne. You're not funny. Nobody's gonna listen to you. You might be questioning me like, okay, why are you saying those things? It's because I had these thoughts 4 years ago. Let me make this fast and simple. You're ugly. You're boring. You're not funny. Now that that's out the way, let's quit with the excuses because they will never leave us alone. We will always have excuses. As I said before, 4 years ago, I was debating starting a YouTube channel and I never did because of those previous thoughts. So in 2021, I'm gonna take fluid and just toss it into the fire and see what happens for 2021. I'm excited for my journey. I believe that by starting a YouTube channel, you're gonna acquire a lot of skills. One of them is having interpersonal skills. A few of them will be communication, leadership, teamwork. This will result in more confidence in speaking more eloquently, transmitting information, negotiating brand deals, sponsorships, and also just more exposure online. You have to leave your comfort zone in order for you to grow. If you're in that comfort zone, you're not going to become better. In personal growth, I've realized that you have to chase what scares you. You have to leave your comfort zone and just grab life by the horns and just go head first. So here I am with 6 subscribers, putting myself in front of all you people. Second reason is because of the pandemic. We got hit with Miley Cyrus, and I'm not talking about the singer. I'm talking about the one that shall now be named. This has been one of the most life-changing events that has happened in my lifetime. I have so much free time since I currently work from home. I pretty much have spent more time on YouTube than I would like to tell in public, which I'm pretty sure it means that other people are spending more time on YouTube. In March, stocks dropped crazy. I've never seen that before. If you invest in a few companies, you're pretty much good. Also in crypto, Bitcoin was at $5,000, give or take, which will lead the current profit of Bitcoin, which is currently trading at $33,000, give or take, with an all-time high of $41,000, which will leave it with a nice profit of around 800% or more. If only I had a time machine. Which leads me to believe that people are pretty much searching how to make better financial decisions. The third reason is to pretty much document my journey. As Gary Vee says, document your journey online. This can be to your road of 100,000 subscribers, which for me is personally down the road in the future, someday. Or just something to go look back and just say, wow, I've pretty much come from this and now I'm up here. This simple video has taken me 3 weeks to make. I've recorded, deleted it. So if you're having any doubts, don't. Because as I'm recording this video, I'm having doubts about YouTube. But hey, I'm gonna give this a try, and if it sticks, then great. Please, just start. I believe in you. The fourth one is making money. That's right, you could get paid by making YouTube videos. I'm pretty sure you knew this if you watch content like Meet Kevin, Graham Stephan. Also, I've been subscribed to Graham for around 4 years now. I was his initial 4,000 subscribers, so I've pretty much seen him grow from nothing to what he is now. Anyways, YouTube channels in the finance niche can make you an astronomical amount compared to general content. What are the top 5 paying niches? Which is pretty much just anything relative to online business. For example, personal finance, wholesale real estate, Forex, stocks, Amazon FBA, and the best for last. My fifth and last reason is to make an impact. Making money and all is cool, but it's not the main reason that I want to start a YouTube channel. If I could just change the life of one person, this whole adventure will be worth it. I'm a strong believer in manifesting energy and God. I want to interact with every single person that subscribes to me Making an impact pretty much motivates me more than making money, because money will not fulfill me inside. Chasing money will never fulfill you. Making an impact will. So I'm here pretty much for around an hour or so after I post a video to reply to comments if I get any. Comment if you have any video ideas, constructive criticism. I know that I will get a lot. And hey, make sure to hit that subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Stay blessed, be happy, and enjoy the rest of your day.